Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a synced multicam sequence so all angles match frame for frame. That makes consistent grading possible. Once done, switch to the color workspace and open Lumetri scopes so you can judge exposure, white balance, and color balance. Next, make a copy of your multicam or nest it, then add an adjustment layer on top for global corrections. This lets you apply broad changes without altering individual camera clips. Now, open each camera angle in the timeline or the source monitor and perform a basic correction to balance exposure and contrast, because matching luminance first simplifies color matching. Make white balance adjustments with the eyedropper and verify skin tones on the vector scope so flesh sits near the built-in skin line. This keeps people natural. Once a camera looks right, save it as a Lumetri preset or capture a reference still, so you can quickly apply consistent corrections across other angles. Finish by adding creative adjustments. Apply a LUT or tweak curves on the adjustment layer for a unified look, then refine with secondary color corrections and tracked masks for faces or highlights. Make sure to toggle individual camera clips to confirm the grade holds when you cut between angles. This prevents visible jumps. If you see color shifts when switching angles, check that proxies, color management, and sequence color space match. Relink or reset those settings to fix mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.